Hi guys, this is Avinash Sharma. Friends, now everybody knows that the ChatGPT is very popular and is being used in each and every field. But the problem is only the base version up to the 3.5 version of the ChatGPT is free, and if you want to access the version 4 and above one, then it is paid version. It means you have to pay something for that one. But there are some methods, so many methods where you can use the ChatGPT 4. So as I told you, there are so many methods, but in this video we will discuss the three methods. First of all, peo.com, it's a portal, and if we use this portal and log in that portal, then we can use the ChatGPT 4 version. Second one, the Bing by the Microsoft, and we can use the Copilot in this. Then Copilot automatically use the ChatGPT 4 behind the scene. Then third one, the ClipMove. Then third one, the clipmove.com. It's a portal. Again, you log in that portal, and then you can use the ChatGPT 4. So now we check the how to use the ChatGPT version 4.0. So currently we are on the 3.5, and the left side in the bottom you can see upgrade plan. If I click this one, then we have the list of the different type of plans. In free, we have the access of the 4.0, but with the limited access. Then other paid version, $20 per month and the $25 for the team. But there are so many ways you can use the 4.0 version freely with the limited access. So first of all, we'll check poe.com. This is the website, and this has been developed by the Quora, and it was launched in the 2022. So using this site, you can have the conversation with the AI. So in this UI, you can see the assistant, the web search, and the ChatGPT 4.0. If you click this one, now the feature of the ChatGPT 4.0 are available. So now you can start your chat, but again it's still limited. So you can see the one message left. So in 24 hours you can use only 2 messages. So one message already used and one message left. So this is again still limited version. And the second one, you can use the bing.com. In Bing, Copilot. Then in Copilot, and make it creative mode. Again, if you use this creative mode and chat with the AI, so behind the scene it uses the ChatGPT 4 latest version. And then we have the clipmove.com. Basically this website provides a extension, then that extension can be added to the Chrome. So ChatMove AI assistant, click on this one. Now add to Chrome. Then add extension. And finally click on this extension. Now we have the window on the right side. Then log in with the Google, any account, whatever you have. So now it is logged in, and you can in the bottom, so with the chat box, so you can find the list of the ChatGPT with their version. So suppose ChatGPT 4.0, select this one. Now you can start your conversation, but again it's limited. So it provides the overall only 16 messages. After the 16 messages, then again you have to pay.